Hi friends, today I gonna started mathematics class 9 with simple and easy way, and I started new channel S Diaries. This is my first video in this channel. I have to tell simple English and mathematics and drawing classes for beginners, and more on that I will upload next. Firstly, I started with mathematics class 9, chapter 1 real numbers. Now I am telling in this just introduction in simple way. Okay, let's begin. Here I will write the chapter name real numbers. Okay, and in this real numbers we have to learn first main thing. 5 numbers are there, that is we have 5 numbers, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, next rational numbers, and finally real numbers. See, we have 5 numbers are there in mathematics, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and real numbers. And first we have to learn natural numbers. What is that? In briefly I will explain here. Natural numbers is denoted by the symbol of n. Okay, natural numbers is briefly denoted by the symbol n. Okay, and here natural numbers are, we have to started the number 1. Simply we can say counting number with all positive numbers, and the natural numbers start with number 1 till the infinity. Okay, for example, see here 1, 2, 3 and so on. There is no end for natural numbers. Okay, and I write infinity. Infinity means there is no end. I will write notes here. First listen what I would tell. Okay, and next whole numbers. Whole numbers means it is denoted by the symbol of W. Okay, whole number denoted by the symbol W. And here what I tell is natural numbers is starting with 1, and the whole number is by adding 0, including 0 continues with the infinity, that is whole number. And the next one is integers. Integers means we have to tell integer is in another way Janith. Okay, Janith, it is the symbol is denoted by Z. Okay, integers symbol is Z. Z means Janith. It has positive and negative numbers. It includes positive and negative numbers. See here 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, -1, -2 and -3 and so on. Okay, integers means including positive and negative numbers are called integers. Okay, and next rational numbers. Rational numbers means we have another name also, it is quotient, and the symbol is Q. Denotes the symbol is Q. And the rational numbers is in the format of P by Q. Okay, and Q is not equals to 0. Listen carefully. P by Q. P by Q format is irrational numbers. So P by Q, this is numerator and this is denominator. Okay, we consider for example 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 5 by 2. we consider both these numbers because we don't have denominator is 0. Let's see 3 by 0. We did not consider denominator is 0. This is no value. Okay, that is called q is not equals to 0. Okay, if numerator comes 0, it is valuable. Okay, denominator comes 0, it is not valuable. That is called we write here q is not equals to 0. Okay, understand? Next, real numbers. Real numbers, in the sense we have to tell the numbers which include both rational and irrational numbers and also an integers. Okay, here we have to tell real numbers means includes integers, rational and irrational numbers. So that is called real numbers. Now let's start the notes. Okay, and first, natural numbers. In this natural numbers, firstly simple English words I have to tell here. Natural numbers means counting numbers. Counting numbers with all positive numbers and the natural numbers start with number 1 till to infinity. The symbol is this. Okay, and next, whole number. Simple one, by adding 0 to the natural numbers, 0 to the natural numbers are called whole numbers and it is denoted by W. Sorry, I forgotten. It is denoted by N. Okay. And next, integers, which is called Janith integers, and it is the symbol Z. Okay. Integers means it includes both positive and negative numbers. Understand? And next, rational numbers. Rational numbers is nothing but quotient. Then the symbol is denoted by Q and it is in the fraction format. It is in the fraction format. Thus, the format comes on P by Q, which is Q is not equals to 0. And real numbers means the numbers which include the rational and irrational numbers, such as integers, fractions and irrational numbers. Integers comes with positive and negative numbers as usual I tell, and fractions is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 2 by 5. Anything and points may included and fractions divided by also included in fractions, and irrational numbers. Irrational means it comes with roots, root 3, root 5, root 2.5, that is irrational numbers. And that's it. This is the introduction of real numbers. Thank you for watching, and for more videos I will upload next. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will started a new channel, SD Diaries. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you.